Hey, welcome back to the world's worst airport. Well, one of the world's worst. So dito tayo sa NAIA Terminal 1 and this time we're traveling to Kaohsiung, which is southern Taiwan. And we're taking China Airlines. Join me here sa Travel Videos, Airline Traveling Airports. Inside NAIA Terminal 1 and guess where we are? We're here in the second floor of the terminal. As you can see here, in the lines na tayo sa baba. Teka, how did I get here? Okay, just in case you don't know and you want to get up here sa airline offices, you just find lang yung way up here kasi wala naman kasi silang escalator that leads directly up to this place. Anyway, you just go out of the security, pasok ka na sa gate, sabihin mo lang, pupunta ka lang sa office. Ayan. So, ayan, nakakapag-video ka na tuloy with bird's eye view of the entire Terminal 1. Now, if you notice, meron silang ginagawa dyan. They had this case before na parang yung restroom nila yata parang nasira. So, I don't know, or they're probably renovating some stuff. So, that's what's happening here sa check-in counters. Right to my left is Singapore Airlines. Ang palusot ko lang kasi was may kakausapin sa China Airlines but actually wala. Pumunta ako sa chapel para mag-pray. We got a chapel there. Kung gusto if you have an extra time like me, I came here hours before my flight. It's actually 5 o'clock in the morning. My flight's at 10. The counters open at 7 pa. So I have 2 hours to take a nap and to eat and to pray. Ilang, pinakita ko lang kung ano yung rito. Pila-pila. Mamaya, yung hidden restroom. So mamaya yung restroom natin Pero this is something that some people or a lot of people don't know that we have a chapel here sa second floor. And if you want to go to China Airlines, just right behind me, that's the office. So kung gusto mo puntahan, dito natin, paatras. Silip tayo, we'll make silip. Kasi wala pa naman, masyado pa namang matagal. So I don't know why they leave their shoes here, but that's the office of China Airlines. Actually, dyan yun, yung entrance papunta sa second floor. So I got out, pasok ulit ako dyan sa entrance. So, pasok tayo. Pasok. O nga pala, this time I'm traveling alone. So, wala, di masyadong kengkoy. Katulad nung kasama ko yung sila subscribers like sila Aaron. Ayan, wala. Tayo lang. So, I'll try to do my best to entertain you guys. Hello ulit. Lumabas ko sa'yo, kaya ano. Thank you. Alright, it's the same banana. Aircon pa rin. Uno. Check-in muna tayo. Pasok muna tayo sa security check. Medyo mahaba pila. Yay, we're in. Dito tayo sa departure hall. So, this is what's happening sa Terminal 1. It's tulad yung naririnig niyo sa reports na it's crowded, it looks cold. Well, nothing beats yung nostalgic effect niya na people say goodbye there sa labas ng gates. And wala lang, parang it sort of gives me an eerie feeling na hey, you're leaving the country. Pero tapos lang ngayon pa mag-isa pa ako ngayon. Anyways, ngayon ang changes kasi dati I used to pass through this hall before pero wala na, iba na, medyo parang masikip na siya ngayon. Bakit? Kasi maraming construction na nangyayari like this one. I don't know what that is pero baka isa pa terminal. Yan. Okay, this time we're going to feature yung hidden restroom nila. I think makita na natin, napalabas ko na dati sa isang video. Ngayon, nakita na rin sa video ni Paul. So, tingnan natin ngayon. We'll try to find where it is. It's probably somewhere that area. So, we have check-in counters here, which are still closed. Sabi na China Airlines would be opening on this side. Anyways, ayan yun. Yung hidden restroom nyo. It's right on that spot. So, pasok tayo. We'll just try to see what's new. toilet bowls flush or what? Pan ko lang muna saglit na. CR. So yan, CR muna tayo. Hello. Ang daming trash. Ayan siya. So if you, sorry ako nahihilo kayo pero that's the place. As if naman yun ang highlight ng travel video natin, CR na NAIA 1. Pasok. Oh, hi. Hello. China Airlines people. Mamaya siguro sila yung mga models mamaya. Oh, okay, if you want to go out dito, kaso I don't think you can do that. Unlike in Paul's travel video, you could go there, kaso mainit. Pero right now, it's blocked by yung mga scaffolding. Hello, ma'am. Anong ginagawa nila ngayon dyan? Yung buong, inaayos nila? Eh, yung nasa gitna, anong ginagawa nila? May bumigay daw na siya. Yun ba yun? Yung nangangamoy? So thank you, ma'am. Ayun, na-interview natin si ma'am saglit. Konti lang. Ano na tayo, chikador. Okay. Hindi ko na papakita yung loob ng CR. Baka may makita kayo ng mga, mga kababalaghan or mga kakaibang, shapes and sizes. CR na rin tayo ulit. But anyway, before we go, we'd like to say hi to these two girls right here. Yun lang. It's a long China Airlines na model. Oo, tumitingin yung mga tao. People are looking at me, I don't know, kasi I've been recording myself or doing selfies. See, it's like a maze. Going out. It's a place going back to the departure hall. We have other airline crew behind me who's going to their flights. We're traveling alone this time. Okay, to give you a background of what's happening, I'm going to Taiwan kasi my father had had a heart attack. So, ewan ko nga saya ko sa travel vids, pero actually I'm just putting up a face na happy just to make the travel video lively, pero actually I'm sort of carrying a burden or medyo mabigat yung loob ko kasi syempre it's a family member. He was diagnosed with congestive heart failure, so which means yung heart niya isn't pumping very well enough to supply the blood or nourishment sa entire body niya. So, yun. And so far, it's an emergency flight. I'm leaving for Taiwan just to see him and then just to check na rin. Although I'm doing my nursing duties sa orthopedic. This time naman, it's a 24-hour duty for my dad. Yun. So, for those who wish my dad well or for those who gave their prayers for my dad's recovery, thank you very much. Yun. Wag muna akong iiyak kasi kakagising ko lang. Yan lang, so this is what's happening muna. So we'll just wait for a few hours or yun, for check-in. Ikot-ikot na lang muna. We have Malaysia Airlines. Next target, Cathay Pacific. Ano tayo? Emirates. So dito na tayo sa check-in counter ng China Airlines. Medyo malakas yung hangin doon. So, she's processing na my ticket. Hello! Ayan, ito lang dala ko sa Kaohsiung. Ilang days lang naman tayo doon. Ikot-ikot. Tapos, yun. So, I'll just have to fill up this one. They don't have a sticker, so I'll just have to fill up the baggage tag. And there goes my bag. So, she's taking care of it.
Claims for the baggage, tag to Kaohsiung. Manila Kaohsiung boarding pass, first in gate 1. 9:30 is the boarding time sa assignment.
Full flight ba? Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi naman.
So, baka may katabi ako, wala.
As of now,
Sana wala. Hindi na. Parang baligaan.
as of now, wala pa naman.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, yun. Ganoon naman ang service nila sa China Airlines. Just a person behind me kanina, he lost one of the documents, so he's in trouble. Pero yung ano naman, wait lang. Pasok muna tayo immigration. We have to shut off the camera after this. Hello, sir. Thank you. Ayun, tapos ito naman sa likod kami, nahuhuli pa. Yun lang. Okay, hindi pa ako maabot ng immigration. Meron na yung tao sa likod ko. Kanina sa line, medyo naiiyak siya. Nanay pala siya. She's leaving her kids for kasi she signed up a contract to work there in Taiwan, and then she's leaving her kids. Yun. Wala lang, tapos umiiyak siya kanina. So ako lang, pero as much as gusto kong maki-chika din or something, wala talaga. Parang she's being comforted by her fellow OFWs. Now we're paying the terminal fee, which is $5.50, $12. This is what some people call daylight robbery. you don't know where the taxes are going. Pero yun lang, opinion lang nila. Pero ako, you don't want to get into trouble for saying that. Yun lang. $12.70 US dollar or 550 pesos. You know, NAIA is known for having very, very, very long lines. Kasi kuya, seaman siya. Ayan. Kanina yung si ate umiiyak kanina, no? Dapat naiiwan na yung anak niya. Oh, yan yung normal na eksena sa NAIA talaga. Kaya very known ng NAIA 1 sa mga yung mga sentimental stuffs. Sige, shutdown muna, baka mahuli tayo. Okay, lampas na tayo security. Dito na tayo sa duty-free shops. Ikot-ikot. Wala naman masyadong makita, pero pwede tayo stop muna elsewhere, somewhere. Just a travel thing. Alam mo, na-notice ko dito sa NAIA 1, maraming tambay na empleyado. Hindi nga talaga, ang daming... tingnan yan. Matambay lang. Unlike sa NAIA terminal, there you are, China Southern Airlines. Yun, banda. Kaso di nakikita sa, late na si, hi! Nawawala siya. Anyways, nag-iiba-iba kasi ng gate siguro. Pero anyway, like ito, sa likod ko, ayun. Di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo. Yun lang. Sige. Malaki problema ko, ma'am. Kailangan ko ng socket. Kailangan ko mag-charge. Ayun. Kaso ba matatanggal yung system niya. Anyway, nagkanta ko ng charger. This is one thing dito sa airport na mahirap. Socket. Oo nga, mababa na naman ako. Malapit na sa gilid-gilid. Yes, ma'am. Ayan. So they're just double checking na makakasakay tayo. Yun. Full flight? Hindi naman. Okay. Good. So this is what's happening here at gate 1. I already have my boarding pass. Tapos meron ng mga instant friends doon sila ko yun. Ayun. Sila nagturo sa akin sa mag-charge ng cellphone. Ayun na. Right there. Yeah. Yay, boarding na tayo. And we're seated at the back as usual. Hello. Okay, before we go in, ritual natin, bilang tap the plane, we kiss the plane. Have you ever kissed the 737? Hello. Natawa siya. Hello. Oops. Oops. Tamaan ko yung cellphone. This is business class, by the way, but we're not seated here. I'm just showing you the seats. This is how the cabin looks like. Switch tayo ah. Kunyari yan. Hello.
Number?
28.
28.
Yeah, that's right at the back. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Usual, habang nagbo-board sila, dito nakikijamming sa likod. So this is what's happening while they're boarding. And at the back, they have, let's see how the galley looks like. Hindi natin kabisada to. It's not like PAL na we could just, mess around at the back. Dito, medyo baka sitahin tayo. Oh look, sky boutique. Ayan. So, yun. Itsura ng likod. There you go. Yan lang. So, nakikijamming muna. CR muna ako saglit. Tignan ko paano nasa loob ng CR. Door number 2. Oh, they have a galley pala dito sa likod ko. This is how it looks like. Nagkakrak na yung mukha ko po. Sobrang kulang sa tulog. Anyways, masang push. Yeah, push it like this. Ayan. Yeah. Okay, we're in. Alright. Yeah, that's how I hold the cell phone like that. Ganun. Okay, what's happening is that hindi nila ako inalaw mag-take ng pictures. So they're more strict here compared to Philippine Airlines. Dito doon kasi medyo nakakachika natin. Dito, I don't know, baka siguro pagka medyo frequent flyer ka na ng China Airlines siguro. Baka mas lenient na sila. Yun lang. Anyway, neat yung cabin nila. Hello! Kasama ko mga Pilipino. Some of them will be working in Taiwan. And ako lang natin na out of emergency flight. Yun lang.